Thank you for and I'm gonna water my tight line. What is it called? Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video is gonna be on this look right here. It's giving very Easter, like very daytime appropriate, super easy to accomplish. I walk you through the whole thing, and yeah, you really only use 2 colors. So if you're interested in how I created this look, then just keep on watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. I'll wait, girl. The subscribe button is all around. So I already have my brows and my eyes prepped. So we're gonna go right into the look, girl. We're not wasting any time. So I just took this white shade right here. This is called Wild at Heart. And then I just used that all over the lid to kind of lighten up my base. So that way the colors pop a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is called Heart of a Lion. I'm gonna use that in my crease. I want the colors to look similar, so that way when I blend them together, they kind of look cohesive. I'm just gonna take this color and I'm just gonna pack it into my crease and all over my lid. And this is gonna be the transition for the next color that I'm gonna use. When I add it to the lid, what I do is I just swipe it in like this and I use circular motions, and then I go right back into the windshield wiper motions. So kind of like this, like that, and then circular, and then out. Really just trying to blend that out. I want it to be completely blended out. I don't want it to be a harsh color, because this is not going to be the focus of the look. This is just going to add a nice transition for me. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with this Sweetest Tea palette by Morphe. So it has a wide variety of colors, you can see here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this kind of like a muted purple here. And this one is called Next Level. Then I'm gonna add that into my crease. So I think I'm actually gonna take that same brush that I was just using. This is the Morphe M502 brush. I'm just gonna completely dip my brush in there, tap off the excess, and then I'm just gonna go right in with that. And this has really good color payoff. And we're doing the same thing, windshield wiper motions, and then circular on the inner corner, and then bring it out. Okay, and then don't forget to kind of come past the end of your eye, because what I'm going to do after is I'm going to clean up that edge, so don't be afraid to kind of take it past. I want to blend this outer edge of that purple shadow kind of more up into the rest of the eye. I don't want to have a harsh line right here. So what I want to do is I'm just going to take a brush that has no product on it, and then I'm just going to blend the edge. And we're just going back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Okay, that looks good. And I only dip into the color again if I feel like I want to intensify the color payoff on my lid. So I'll just dip in just a little bit more. I'm not rubbing the color, I'm just tapping it and then placing it on. I want to brighten up the inner corner a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with that white, and I'm just gonna take a flat brush like this. This is the Morphe V202. I'm just gonna dip that brush in, and then I don't want too much, I just want to go in with a little bit. And then just kind of add some white to brighten up the inner corner of the eye. I'm gonna take this black liner from NYX. So it's just a black pencil. I'm gonna tight line. I just kind of like to lift the lid just a little bit. What that does is it darkens the lash line area without adding any actual liner. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a mascara. This is the Morphe Make It Big. Before I add mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. Okay, so now that my lashes are curled, I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara. I want to clean up that outer edge. So I'm just going to take some makeup remover. Just clean that up. Okay, that's it for the eyes. So I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the rest of my face already done. We're gonna take that color Next Level again. Just dip into that with this. This is a JH39 brush. I'm gonna use that to get right underneath the eye and blend that shadow in with the edge here. Blend everything together. I'm just gonna go back in with this shade here and I'm gonna go over top the purple and then also below it, so kind of just fusing it right into the skin. Okay, so you can use your highlighter for this. I'm just gonna dip into another eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this Morphe S20 brush and I'm just gonna use that to get right into the inner corner. Okay, so I'm gonna take the ColourPop off right here. I'm gonna dip into that lightly and go right on the inner corner, just to give the eyes a little bit of a pop. You can kind of see that already. She's cute. Just kind of blending it out as well. I don't want to just leave this dot on the inner corner. I want to blend everything out, but I still want the color payoff to be there. Okay, so I'm going to add some mascara to the bottom lashes and I'm just going to take the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. Okay, that looks super cute. That's pretty much it for the eyes. You can take it up a little by adding a wing liner and adding some lashes, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. I feel like this is super daytime appropriate, but I mean honestly any kind of look is daytime appropriate. So let's go in with the lip. I don't want to go too crazy with the lip. I kind of want to keep it neutral. I want to keep the focus on the eyes. So I'm going to go in with this Rare Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Fun. This is my current fave nude. And I'm just going to go right in with that. I'm going to go over top with this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the color Sugar Boo. So this liquid lipstick can come off a little bit runny. Kind of like super liquidy, so I'm just gonna start with a little bit and I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. It's a super duper pretty color, but it can break up really easily if you put too much and then don't like blend it out. So I just kind of add it in layers, and then as it starts to dry down it looks really good. That looks super good. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust off this bake. I'm going to take the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. This is the mattifying spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Super simple, super easy to accomplish. Comment down below some of your plans for Easter. I want to know. I'm curious. Are you guys going to go to Easter service? Do you guys have plans with your families? Like, follow me on all of my social media. Everything is at Gabbbykins. That's it. That is it. I will see you in my next video.